Welcome so much guys to our class today. Today we are looking at how to soften the edges of a photo using Adobe Photoshop. For me, I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2020, which will be upgraded later. Yeah, so in our lesson today, we will see how we can soften the edges of a photo. Yeah, so when you launch your software, you usually land on this kind of an interface. So this is where you define the size of your workspace. For me, I mostly use 1000 and 1100 pixels for posters that are not meant for printing. That's, let's say, for social media sharing and all that. So I'll just select here because I already defined it. So this one I'm using 1000 pixels in the width and 1100 pixels on the height. Then for the resolution, I usually use a resolution of 400. The color mode is RGB when it's not for printouts, but when I'm printing, I'll use the CMYK. Yes, then the background, I need it to be white, so I'll just come here and have a white background. Then I will name my work as softening. Let's just name it softening. Then after you are done defining your workspace, you just click the create button. Yeah, now the first thing I do after opening a blank workspace is to create my margins by the guide. I'm being guided by the rulers on the horizontal and the vertical, so I'll just place margins in 0.20 centimeters both sides. So here we'll have 6.20, maybe it's not so accurate, but I'll just use approximation. Yeah, for the purpose of this class. Yeah, so I have defined the margins. Now I want us to soften the edge of a photo. So let's say I have this photo of a lady. I'll just drag it. After I drag it, then I drop it here. So the process I've done is called drag dropping. Yeah, the simplest way to insert a photo. Another step you can do is to control copy and control paste, but for me I'll use just drag dropping. After you've placed your image where you want it to be, let me make sure I've placed it on the center, and on the center also the horizontal center. Yeah, there. So this is how you know that your image is at the center, when you see those two lines, the horizontal and the vertical. After doing that, now you check and confirm that you have done the work. Now you have placed your photo. I want us to soften the edge, the bottom edge, so that it does not look this sharp. So what I do is you come to the gradient tool on the toolbar. Yes, we have the gradient tool while your photo layer is selected. So you select the gradient tool. After you select the gradient tool, there is this masking. There's this masking stuff here. So you press it, you click on that mask. Now it has created a mask. Now from because I want to soften the lower parts, you will just place your cursor here and left click, then drag it. After dragging it to somewhere below the photo, you release the click, and your image will have softened. Let's say maybe you want to do another softening. You must convert this first to a smart object. After you have converted it, now you click the mask again, and let's say maybe I want to soften the right side. So you take this line to the right side and you release, then it softens that side of the photo, and by doing that you will have softened the image. Thank you so much.